Hi friends, good morning. Jom, let's cook Kuay Teow goreng for breakfast. I had 1 kg of Kuay Teow here, beans sprouts, chili padi, tomatoes, hot dog fish cake, some chili paste, scrambled egg, and here tauhu, fried tauhu, onion, garlic. Jom, let's cook. Okay, first I will heat up the oil, add in the garlic and onion. Add in the fish cake and hot dog. Add in the chili paste and a bit of salt. Okay. Allow the fish cake and hot dog to cook well. Okay. Now you can add this Kuay Teow. Wash it please. Scrambled egg. Fried tauhu. And beans sprout, tomatoes and chili padi. For a bit sweetness, you can add the sauce. Hi friends sayang, my Kuay Teow goreng is ready. Jom, let's take breakfast. Like the page, subscribe me, and any comment let me know. Thank you. Have a great day. Enjoy. Santa sayang.